Brody's inspecting the construction site. Taking a look at the shoring. Taking a look at the gravel. The Speedcrete. Fast setting concrete. Don't worry, Brody, you can do a full inspection later tonight. Come on, Brody. What are they doing here? Big time. Oh, jeez, where am I going down? I'm going down. Oh, man, what is this pipe? Oh, man, it's hairy down here.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, look at the shoring, eh? Wow, nice shoring. No, 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 no. He's trying to go underneath there. Oh, he hears the water. There's water running.
Look at the thing. That's
6-inch. Wow, that's nice, eh? Well, I'm down here, eh?
I want to record my face. It's like 12 feet deep.
No, not 2 of me. It's like 10.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm like 6 almost, and
Yeah,
that's
so it's like
4 more feet up. Nice.
Look at him. He just walks over.
I don't know. What do you think? It's so dark, though. I don't know if you can lighten it. Not gonna come out now.
No, I put the brightness higher. I think he likes it.
12 feet. Oh, it is 12. See, that's 12 feet. You're right.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're right. Not 12 feet. Well, it's 1.5 feet here. It's 10 feet. What? No!
Brody.
What the hell?
Yeah.